class 6. Today we start our first chapter, number system. In the number system, we have to know first what is numbers. What is numbers? Hindu-Arabic system of writing numbers. In Hindu-Arabic system, we use 10 symbols, namely 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 called digit to represent any number. Second, a group of digit denoting a number is called numerals. Third important thing is place value. We use place value system to represent a number. So how many types of place value we have? We have two types of place value system. First one is Indian place value system. Second one is international place value system. Here types of place value system. First Indian place value system. Second one is international place value system. By example, we understand. For example, 85317209. Here also the same example I write here. 85317209. But what is the main difference between these two? Inserting the comma. Where you insert the comma, it is very important role for the place value systems. In Indian place value system, insert the comma before the 3 digit. After that, every 2 digit before you insert the comma. But international place value system, before 3 digit, here also before 3 digit you insert the comma. In Indian place value system, first place is called ones place, second place is called tens place, third place is called hundred place, fourth place is called thousand place, next place is called 10,000 place. Here also you see 7 number place is called 10,000. Here also 7 number place is called 10,000. But difference between next number. Here the position of 1 is called lakh. But here position of 1 is called 100,000. Here the position of 3 is called 10 lakhs. But here position of 3 is called million. New word introduced you, millions. But here what is the place value of 5? Crore. But here what is the place value of 5? 10 million by international place value system. Last, here the place value of 5, place value of 8 is 10 crore. But international place value system, the place value of 8 is called 100 million. So now come to the first exercise first day. According to the question number 1, write each of the following number in words. Okay. So for words, first of all we insert the commas according to the Indian place value system. According to the Indian place value system, first you 1, 2, 3 put the comma here. After that 1, 2 put the comma here. Second number question, this question 6060606. According to the place value system, first of all you 1, 2, 3 just put comma here before 3 digit. After that 2 digit. So now come to the first question. Here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. It means this segment is lakh. 34 lakh. 34 lakh. 20,000. This segment is 1000 segments, which means 20,000. 90, And second question, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore. This segment is crore. 6 crore, 6 lakhs, 6,000 and 6. 6 crore, 6 lakh, 6,000, 6. Now come to the second question. Write the number in expand form. So for expand form also we need to insert the comma by Indian place value system. 1 2 3 comma 1 2 comma. Okay. So here expand form. The place value of 9 is 9. The place value of 0 is 0 0. So here 24 05 609. The place value of 24 is 24. After that, how many digits are left? 1 2 3 4 5 digits are left. That's why you write here 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. Then plus this segment 05, which means the place value of 5. The place value of 0 is, after that how many digits are left? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 plus. What is the place value of 5? 5. How many digits are left? 1 2 3. It means you insert here 3 zeros. After that, what is the place value of 6? 6. How many digits are left? 1 2. Then you insert 2 zeros. Then the place value of this 0 is 0 0. And at last the place value of 9 is 9. Okay. Now come to our next question, question number 3. Find the difference between the place value of 2 nines in this number. So here how many nines are there? 1 and 2. What is the place value of this 9? What is the place value of this 9? So you write here 9. After that, how many digits are left? 1 2 3 4 5 6. It means you insert here 6 zeros. 2 3 4 5 6. And but according to the question, find the difference. Find the difference. Then what is the place value of this 9? 9 0 0. Which means what? 900. What is the difference? Okay. 0 minus 0 is equals to 0. 0 minus 0 is equals to 0. Here the 9. So if you borrow here, then 9. This was 10. 10 minus 9 is equals to 1. This was 9, 9, and this was 89. Now come to our 7th number question. How many 6-digit numbers are there in all? So for solution in this question, first of all we find the how many largest 6-digit number, and after that we find the smallest 6-digit number. So first largest 6-digit number is 9 9 9 9 9 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the number largest or greatest 6-digit number. Similarly, smallest 6-digit number is what is 1 1 2 3 4 5 times 0. After that we subtract these two numbers. 9 minus 0, 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 9, or 9 minus 1 is equals to 8. This is the answer? No, this is not an answer. This is not an answer. After that you will add plus 1. After that you will add plus 1 for find the answer. 9 plus 1, 10. 10, 0, carry over 1. 9 plus 1, 10, 0, carry over 1. 1 plus 9, 10, 0, carry over 1. 9 plus 1, 10, 10, 0, carry over 1. 9 plus 1, 10, 0, carry over 1. 8 plus 1, 9. This is your final answer. Question number 10. How many thousand make a crore? Crore. Which means you write first 1 crore. Solve. 1 crore. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Stop it. 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. So this is 1 crore. According to the question, how many thousand? Thousand. How many zeros in thousand? 3 zeros. Then 1, 2, 3. You put here comma, and this is your final answer. 10,000 thousand make a 1 crore. Answer. Come to the 12th question. What comes just after this number? Which means just you add 1 plus 1, then you will get answer. 9, 5, 4, 7, 9, 9, 9. Okay. 9 plus 1, 10, 0, carry over 1. 9 plus 1 again 10, 0, carry over 1. 7 plus 1 is equals to 8, 4, 5, 9. This is the final answer. Now come to the question number 16. Write the smallest number of different digits formed by using 31057. Solve. Just you write all the numbers, all the given numbers in descending order. Descending order, which means ascending order. 0, 1, 3, 5, 7. What is the number here? No value of 0 in first place. So we interchange these two numbers for making a number. So you interchange this number is 1, 0. 1, 0, 3, 5, 7 is your final answer. Now come to the exercise 1B. Question number 1. Fill each of the boxes with the correct symbol greater than or less than. Here first question is 3572,014 and the second number is 10235401. In this question just you count both side number. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 number. How many numbers here? 7. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 8 numbers. Which means who is greater? Obviously this number is greater. Obviously this number is greater because it has 8 digits. Come to the second question. Here how many digits here and here? First we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 8 digits we have. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also 8 digits we have. Then after that just you insert the commas of the question by Indian place value system. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma, 1, 2, comma. Okay. Now here also 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma, 1, 2, comma. Like.
Start.
After that, just you check the from this side. 4 here also. First segment is 4. Second segment is 78. Here also 78. Now come to the third segment. Here 93. Here 94. Which means this number is greater. Because which same segment is greater, then the number is greater. Here third segment is 93. Here third segment is 94. Which means this number is greater. Now come to the question number 7. Arrange the following number in descending order. Descending means what? The numbers in greater to lower, greater to lower, greater to lower, highest to smallest. Then solve. First we count all the numbers. How many numbers they have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The number has 8 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This number have 7 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The number also have 8 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The number has 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This number has 9 digits. It means our first number is for descending order is this number. Just I write it. 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 0. This number has 8 digits. This number is also have 8 digits. It means we apply the comma insert method. You just insert the comma in this number and this number also. 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, comma 1, 2, comma. And here also put the commas 1, 2, and 3. After that compare these two numbers. First digit has 6. First segment is 6. First segment is same. 6 number is there. Second segment 35. Here also 35. Third segment is 21. Here 14. It means in these two numbers, third segment is 21. It means the now next number is 6, 35, 21, 0, 47, because in these two numbers this number is greater than this. That's why next number is this 6, 3, 5, 1, 4, 7, 5, 9. Now we compare the 7 digits number, which means this number and this number. Both these two numbers have 7 digits. It means we apply the comma insert method. Comma. Put the comma here 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, comma. Okay. Here also 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, comma. Then we compare the segment wise. Here 73 first segment. Here also 73 first segment. Second segment is 54. Here second segment is 55. Which means these two numbers. This number is greater. Then the next number is this 7, 3, 5, 5, 0, 1, 4, and last number is 7, 3, 5, 4, 2, 0, 6. This is your final answer. This is the descending order of this question. Question number 11, 12, 13 and 14 are similar. So try it home because it is the same question and this is the ascending order question. So it was a very simple question. Please try it home.